Today we're making a comforting Portuguese seafood classic that's full of flavor. This monkfish rice is rich, saucy, and perfect for sharing at the table. Tender monkfish, juicy shrimp, sweet red pepper, and a homemade broth makes this dish extra special. Let's get started. Monkfish rice. 1 kilogram of monkfish, bone reserved. 10 peeled shrimp, shells reserved. 1 liter of water. 300 grams of Carolino rice. 1/4 red pepper diced. 1 onion chopped. 2 tablespoons of pimento paste. 2 garlic cloves chopped. A drizzle of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, piri to taste, chopped parsley. For the broth, 1 onion, 1 bay leaf, parsley, 1 liter of water, the reserved monkfish bone, and shrimp shells. In a pot, add the water, onion, bay leaf, parsley, monkfish bone, and shrimp shells. Bring to a boil and let it cook for 20 minutes. In another pot, add the olive oil, chopped garlic, and chopped onion. Sauté over medium heat for 10 minutes. Add the pimento paste and diced red pepper and stir well. Add the monkfish, 1 liter of strained monkfish and shrimp broth. 1 liter of water, let it stew for 15 minutes. Remove the monkfish to a bowl and set aside. Add the Carolino rice to the pot. Let the rice cook for 15 minutes, stirring from time to time. Add the shrimp and the reserved monkfish. Cook for 5 more minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and piri to taste. Serve right away and sprinkle with chopped parsley. And there you have it, a beautiful pot of monkfish rice that's full of comfort and coastal flavor. This is the kind of dish that brings everyone straight to the table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Strain the broth so the rice stays silky and smooth. Removing the monkfish at this stage helps keep it tender and prevents it from overcooking. Carolino rice releases starch beautifully, so this dish should stay loose and creamy, not dry. Serve as soon as it's ready so the rice keeps the perfect saucy texture.